How are you?
Okay.
Kasama mo ako.
Ikaw nga yung nakasandaming tao sa likod mo, bawal yun.
Alright, what is up everything? Okay, so for today's video, dito pa rin tayo sa Singapore. So, meron tayong papaayos ng sapatos. So, yung sapatos ko ay inabot ng expiry ng kanyang glue. So, this one is a gift for me. Ay, pamangkin. So, ngayong araw maghahanap tayo ng tuloy may nakita na tayo ang puntahan natin yung shoe repair dito kasi sayang ito almost bago pa and medyo expensive siya, so sayang naman kung masisira lang basta-basta. Okay, so ito yung papaayos natin. Alright, so ito yung problema niya. Yan, so yung glue niya nagtutuklap, so same dito sa kabila. So yan, so kailangan na tong i-repair. Yan, so, nagtutuklap siya. So same din dito sa kabila. So dito pa siya inabot, no. May 1 week pa kami mahigit na, may 1 week pa ako dito to stay. So kailangan ko na yatang ipaayos ito siya. Yan. So yan, tuklap. Hindi kasi ito masyadong nagagamit. Medyo matagal-tagal na, mga 3 years na to. So kailangan na natin itong ayusin. So yun, aalis tayo, hanap tayo, puntahan natin yung nakita kong shoe repair. So tara, samahan niyo ako maghanap ng pumunta doon sa shoe repair. So let's go. Okay, so mula dito sa place na Lamisis, meron namang malapit-lapit na isang sakay, mga parang 3 stops yata from here. So yun ang pupuntahan natin ngayon. So ito tayo from place nila Mrs. tayo sa tayo ng bus. So malaman natin kung magkano yung presyo pagdating natin dun mamaya. Hopefully hindi siya ganun kamahal. So try natin mamaya. We'll try to record kung pwede. Yung ma-record yung proseso ni Manong yung gumagawa, no? Try natin i-video para masama natin dito sa my vlog. Ito na yung bus, oh. Kasi mukhang hindi natin aabutin. Hindi natin inabot yung isang bus. Paalis na siya nung dumating tayo. So hindi na nakapaghintay. Next stop na lang, next bus na lang. So ito na yung bus natin. Next stop, bababa na tayo para sa Woodlands Square. Bus interchange and we're going to Woodlands Square. So we're close sa ating destination. Hindi natin makita. Nakikita natin ang food court. Puro kainan. So, hanapin natin dito. Ayun. Ayun na yung sushi. Tagal nating hinanap. Finally. Alright. So, ito na. Tikatin. Yeah. So, the glue is starting to peel off. How do we... Still, is it okay to glue all or...
Okay, actually your front is stitched down one.
Yeah, it's stitched
So
down.
it's no problem the front. Unless you want me to take out the whole thing, clean up, then glue back.
So what's better?
Of course.
I'm thinking if
Of course everything is opening.
yeah, so it's starting to opening everything.
So
So
unstitch
and glue again, no?
Yeah.
So how much will that be
Let me
for
check
these
whether
two?
rubber okay or not.
Yeah.
If you scared this rubber no good. If this rubber no good, then no point doing.
But they are still good. It's just that the glue is starting to take off.
Okay, this one I charge $30.
$30.
Because I need to open up
To open everything.
and
Yeah.
stitch this one. After doing it, I gotta stitch it back again.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you?
Yeah. All right. And so he will be doing my shoe repair. I'm doing my blog.
Sorry, are you doing a
Yeah,
vlog?
yeah. So right now he'll be charging us $30 for
Gluing back,
gluing
gluing
everything.
back and stitch back after this.
Yeah. Okay. So how long do I have to wait for that?
Okay, there's a
So yun. Tapos na tayo. Balikan natin yung sapatos after a week. Or actually, he put a note on my receipt. $30. So he put a note on my receipt. The collection is on the 5th of January. Yan. So that's it muna guys. Balikan natin si J4 on the 5th of January. Now let's time to have some food. Alright, what is up everything? Yan, we're back dito sa mall na pinagdala natin ng sapatos. Kasama ko si Madam. So today pipick up tayo ng ating J4. Nag-message na si Kuya kahapon na it's done.
Ready.
So
It's ready for
I thought sa January 5 pa, a day before our flight pabalik. So puntahan namin ngayon ni Madam Pangge.
Ako na lang yung madam.
Alright. Alright, so dito na tayo sa 3rd floor kung saan located ang pagawaan. So may kasama akong pangontra sa pangontra sa ligaw. Kasi last time matagal-tagal kong hinanap tong shop ni Manong. So dito na tayo. Manong Shoki. Ano ba siya? Ayan siya. Busy si Manong. How are you?
Thank you. There's the shoe bag, keys and repairs. Located at Causeway, 3rd floor, 0306. Let's see.
It's back there.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, this one was repaired. Mr. Shuki here.
Thank you.
hello.
And so those who wants to have their shoes repaired is just here in Woodlands Square, Causeway Point, right?
Causeway.
Point.
Okay na.
All goods na, all goods.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you so much, sir.
Stop na.
Okay na. So back to ng ating Day 4.
Okay.
Alright, so that's it na muna for this video, guys. Happy na ako kasi nagawa na yung sapatos ko. Makaka-uwi na kami. Yan yung isa, happy na rin. Nakabili siya ng Hello Kitty na housing. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang muna sa mga nasa Singapore. If you happen to be here or you are here in Singapore. And so sa mga gusto magpagawa ng kanilang mga sapatos, maayos na kausap, maayos na gawa dito kay Shuki Junction. Nasa Causeway Point siya, 3rd floor. And meron din silang Facebook page. So pwede nyo hanapin. Shuki, Shokii Junction. Alright, so that's it. Everything. Bye!